Hey guys, just thought I'd show you the final little pile of mini art that we've had come in. So, we've had lots of armour this week, so the armour modelers can't complain. This is the next reiteration of the M3 Lee that Mini Art's been doing. This is again all in 35th scale. This is their next variant. This is the mid-production M3 Lee. If you've built any of the Lees, you know what to expect. This has got the interior in it, so it's quite heavy. There's a lot to it. 6 choices of markings. As I said, if you know the kit, it's been, you know what you're expecting. If you haven't built one yet and you're thinking of building one, these are really nice. The reviews are good, the detail's good, the interior is very good, so you can have a lot of fun with it and everything else. So that's the latest one from them. What else have we got? This is their next iteration of the Panzer IV. This is the early production May 1943. This is the Vomag version H series. Again, they're doing a whole series of Panzer IVs and Panzer IIIs, and they're sort of chopping and changing between each one. This is their latest one. If you know the kit, you know what to expect. This one's got lots of detail. It's got an interior, so you can go to town and do it all up and everything else. Don't know anything much about the variants of Panzer IVs. This is the Vomag, so those in the know will know. So you can have a bit of fun with it. So again, nice kit. This one is based on 2 of their kits. This is one of their type kits where they put out, they'll marry a figure set to a vehicle or whatever. This is the repairing on the road. This is their what sort of car is it? It's doesn't say. It's probably a cabriolet of some sort, but anyway, there you go. 6 choices of markings on it. You can have the top up or top down. There's a hard top. Oh, there appears to be a hard top. Oh no, soft top too. Again, this is marrying 2 of their sets together. They pack it as one to pretend that that's not really, but it's been around. Both items have been around for a while, so you've got plenty of choice of markings. If you want to have that little bit of a diorama, pretty cool. So that's in. This is another variant of their T-34. This is the Czech Republic or Czechoslovakian production, early type. Lots of detail in it. This one has not got the interior, so this is a stock one. Yeah, this is a stock one. It's got plenty of choices of markings in it. Again, lots of detail. The difference between the 2, I have no idea. The experts will know, or those in the know will know. So what you don't know, you don't know. What you do know, you do know. So there you go. So, here we got another one. This is another variant of the T-34. This is the Egyptian one. I believe the main changes in this was the machine gun and a few other little bits and pieces. Probably somebody will come along and tell me, no, the turret was different or whatever, but that's life. I don't know everything and I don't pretend to. So look, this is a great kit as well. All their T-34 series is good. This one does have an interior, and it has Egyptian marking. So if you're looking at that Egyptian era, then you've got that one. And then finally, the next in their series of Austins. This is the Austin 3rd series. This one covers armoured car. Sorry, this one covers Czech, Russian, Soviet service. So again, if you've built this version, you'll know what to expect. And if you're collecting them, this is the next version in the series. Lots of choices of markings. There's about 6 there, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 choices of markings. This is a great kit. I've been tempted a few times to just do some of these. I've been sort of fiddling around with one of the armoured cars, and I just like them. They're just pretty cool. Lots of kit parts, lots of pieces in it. Bit of etched metal, markings. What can I say? They're great kits. They look good. As a family, they look pretty cool together. These guys have got more armoured cars coming, so you'll see other variants and other versions. There seems to be quite an interest in armoured cars at the moment. Rodin's done some, Copper State's done some. These guys have done quite a few. and I think there's a couple of other companies looking at doing some more armoured cars. So sorry to the aircraft guys, haven't had much for you today, but we got stuff coming. But for the armour guys, I hope you had a great day. Hope you enjoyed the look, see what we've got. All of this is in stock now or online, so you can jump in. Either come down and see us, or we'll talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye.